Good morning. Welcome all of you to this event called Medic Maestro. Medic Maestro is the first time we, as an organization called PI, are organizing a hardcore medical quiz. So far, we were quizzing in another area called Juxta Med, where our event called QED has become fairly popular. So this is the first such attempt, medical quiz, and the first people I want to thank are the 22 participants who have volunteered to participate. And though they feel that this is a very stressful uh, kind of thing, I can, new stress, you stress, distress nahi. Okay. Okay. So I'm glad that I'm that yeah, mistress. Okay. So yeah, what all 22 of you will be competing for is this trophy called the Medic Maestro Trophy, and and we have 12 participants today. There'll be 10 more next Sunday, same place, more audience, and we we uh, we are very glad that those who have come with great enthusiasm, I'm sure. And basically, PI is an organization that is into edutainment. Edutainment means education with entertainment, and our purpose has been not to just take seminars and lectures, but to make it entertaining, make it interactive. So this program is edutainment in two respects. One is the education part. Who is educated more, the 22 participants or the audience who hears? The 22 participants, we think, are educated much more because of this event than the audience. This is fairly rapid fire, so the audience might feel that things are happening too fast, and they may not be able to grasp the medical factoids that are given. But we assure you that we will make we will be giving all of you all the questions and all the answers by video and email later. So that is, you will get everything that is happening today. Second thing is the entertainment part. You should not be entertained when they answer wrongly. You should be entertained when they answer correctly. So be sure to encourage the participant, but I request you not to applaud in between the 15 questions. When they answer correctly, or you think they have answered a very difficult question, you will feel like applauding, but keep the applause reserved for the end after the 15 questions are done. So the format is like this. We have drawn lots. Each participant will come on stage, stand at the podium there. Some participants want to sit, they can sit. They'll have a collar mic to attach. We will of course introduce them. There might be a couple of icebreaker questions, which are kind of not point questions. After that, we'll start the first set. The first set of 15 questions will be for the family physician, and the medical students or interns will be on a subject of their choice, and for the specialists will be on the broad area of their specialty. For example, the first participant is Dr. Nilesh Nolkha. He's a rheumatologist. So all his 15 questions on the first set will be in rheumatology. The last participant, Dr. who's the last? Leena Bhagat. Her topic is thyroid disorders. All her questions will be on thyroid disorders. Correct? The second set, which will be immediately asked after the first set, will be a mixed bag. What do we call the mixed bag, Suraj? Random roulette. So it's a roulette, and and that random roulette will have everything of internal medicine or pediatrics. There are two pediatricians. So Dr. Tushar Maniyar will conduct the quiz for the two pediatricians who are present today. We have kept pediatric questions to the family physician to a limit of one question out of 15, and essentially because the pediatricians have stolen their pediatric practice. and yeah. Most importantly, you'll be surprised when a rheumatologist is asked about a hematology question in the mixed bag section. Most importantly, what we have done is all the questions are relevant to family OPD practice. So we will not ask questions which are relevant to in-hospital patients, even to the specialists. So everything will be relevant to you. In that sense, the specialist has an advantage because he's being asked questions which are relatively easy. In the first set they have an advantage, in the second set they have a disadvantage because the field is completely different from what they normally are used to. So we have tried to balance. Each participant, even in the random roulette section, we have tried to customize the question to that participant, correct? So that you will see as you go on. So first of all, we come to the section that is very popular, especially in QED and SOS, which we conducted, and that section is called FAQ. FAQ is frequent audience questions. So in between the participants, we will ask the audience some questions, and I hope that you will enjoy them.